Two apartments share the same street. One holds a life. The other holds a collection. The first apartment earns more than most households ever will. It spends accordingly. Every surface is occupied. The closets are full. The spare room is full. The kitchen holds tools that have never been used. The second apartment earns less. It holds more space than anything else. Space is deliberate here. Same neighborhood. The person earning less has greater financial margin. This is not an accident. Every object purchased enters a second accounting. The price on the receipt is only the beginning. A large piece of exercise equipment sits in a corner. Space around it was not free. It was purchased. Maintenance is invisible until it is not. The ongoing cost of ownership accumulates without asking permission. Visual clutter does not stay in the room. It enters the mind. It occupies attention that was never offered. Capital held in objects cannot compound. It can only depreciate. The cost of that choice is never shown at purchase. Before a purchase, there is a calculation most people never make. Cost divided by use reveals a different number entirely. A kitchen counter holds appliances still in their original packaging. The purchase price was only paid once. The space cost is paid every month. Walk through a home with one question. If this disappeared today, would you spend money to replace it? Most items fail immediately. Objects remain through inertia, not because they are wanted. They persist because removing them requires a decision nobody made. A perfectly functional telephone sits in a drawer. It was replaced, not because it failed, because something newer existed. Upgrade culture does not announce itself. It operates through the steady accumulation of dissatisfaction with things that still work. Spending is always easier than not spending. The system is designed that way. The path of least resistance flows outward. Those who watch the system most carefully have found this. Most purchasing impulses dissolve within a single day. They were never needs. Counting possessions in one category changes how the next one is acquired. Awareness is structural. It does not require discipline alone. The people who document this most carefully tend to return to it over time. Systems observed across years reveal patterns no single month can show. Renting equipment for a first camping trip costs less than storing equipment from a hobby abandoned after the second one. A single major purchase multiplies outward. It does not arrive alone. It carries an ecosystem of requirement behind it. High earners who never defined enough are still running. The finish line moved every time their income crossed it. Financial margin is not savings alone. It is the distance between what is owed and what is chosen. That distance is called freedom. The apartment at the beginning of this account has not changed. Only the understanding of what it contains has shifted.